So let's go through some of these examples. The first part here is graphing a circle from its features. So the first question says graph the circle, which is centered at -5, 1, and has a radius of 4 units. So you're going to grab your circle here, and you can move it around. So -5, 1 means go over to -5 on the x-axis and up 1. And now our center is at the correct spot, but our radius is 4 units. So we are going to take this circle, and we're going to drag this up. Now not just to 4, because we need to make sure the radius is actually 4. So the radius is the distance from the center to the outside of the circle. So it goes from here at 1 all the way up to 5. And you can also see that it goes from here at -5 on the x-axis over here to -1. So that distance is also 4. For the next one, we have to graph the circle that is centered at -3, -2. So we're going to go over to -3, down to -2. And it needs to have the point -3, 9 on it. Now -3, 9, -3 is here. 9 is all the way up here. Oh, sorry, -9 is all the way down here. So we're going to have to take this circle and drag it down until we reach that point. So that point is now on our circle. So our circle is centered at -3, -2, and it has that point, -3, -9, down here on the circle. Okay, this is similar to the first question. So we'll center our circle at +3, -2, and a radius of 5. So that means I'm going to have to take this circle and drag it 5 units over. So I'm already at 1 over, so that's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the center here goes from 3 to 8, which is a distance of 5, and it also goes here at -2 all the way down to -7, which is also a distance of 5. For the last one, we need to get the circle centered at -1, -3, so we'll go over to -1 and down to -3. And this needs to have the point -7, -3 on it. So -7 is here, and -3 is down here. So again, I can draw on this. So if we'll try to draw on it. So if I want, well, that's not really going to work. So anyways, -7, -3 is all the way over here. So that is the spot that I need to make sure is on the circle. So I was going to draw it, but it doesn't seem to be able to do that. Cool, good to go.